Hello, in this video I'll show you how to replace the intercooler on Ford Focus Mk1 with a 1.8DI engine. The intercooler on this car is located on the front of the car, just above the radiators. First we're going to remove this plastic cover. Now that the plastic cover is removed, we have access to the intercooler. That's the intercooler right there. In order to remove the intercooler, first we need to remove the clamps for the two air intake hoses for bolts holding the intercooler, two on this side and two on this side. And also we need to disconnect the electrical connector. First we start by removing the two air intake hoses. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Next, we're going to remove the four bolts holding the intercooler. Next, we're going to disconnect the electrical connector, which is on this side right there. There's a tab that we need to push in and then pull out the electrical connector. Here I'll show you a closer view of the tab. That's the tab that you need to push in. Look how it goes down and it releases the electrical connector. Now we can lift the intercooler and just take out the two air intake hoses. And that's the intercooler out. Putting the intercooler back on is in the exact reverse order. We just put it into the two air intake hoses. Then we put the four bolts that's holding the intercooler and then tighten them and then connect the electrical connector. And as the intercooler assembled, now the only thing left to do is to put the plastic cover that's on top of the intercooler and tighten the bolts. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.